finally made it to our one and only final destination.
What do you think he ate?
Oh.
What?
No. No.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's no sea.
Okay, I'm see you later.
Full panic. Oh my gosh. We stayed so long in Georgetown that I started to call Max George. So it was time to go and get out of here and on to our next stop in Cat Island.
Beautiful morning here.
Averaging 5, averaging 6. I'm on course and we're getting the little lures out to see if we can catch a fish. Booby's trying to get our lures. No, no, no! Hey, hey! I scared it a bit. We are about a quarter of the way there, and of course when I'm at the helm, there's no wind and we're going like 2 knots. At the moment Max takes over, wind picks up and we're going, what, how many knots now? 6 knots. And Max said, well, if we kept going at 2 knots, he would have liked to jump in the water to see how it looks like down below. And that gives me the heebie-jeebies just to think about. I don't think I could do that for the funsies of it, you know? I don't know, it's like 10,000 feet below us. It's crazy.
Giant squid.
Huh?
Giant squid.
Yeah, what if a giant squid just takes him?
Just crossing over 12,000 feet, guys. 12,000 feet deep.
If you haven't noticed by now, I like to snack on things. So let me know in the comments what your favorite snacks are. I might give them a try. We can see land. The engine's back on just because if not we would have arrived pretty late.
Manu doesn't like sailing without the engine on.
I don't know. I don't like arriving at an anchorage in the Bahamas with rocks everywhere that I can't see. Anyways.
Excuses. Can I have another one? I finally get to be shared with. Normally Manu eats the whole packet by herself. We're arriving now in Cat Island. It's one of the least visited islands here in the Bahamas. We will have more to update you with tomorrow.
Hello. After a morning of Max defrosting the fridge successfully, it's now not too hot to do the highest mount in the Bahamas. People say they train days and days and months for this trek. So Max put his special training shorts on, and yeah, wish us luck.
What's going on here?
It's hard to believe that we're in the oldest historical site in the world, because we're not. We're in the highest point of the Bahamas.
It's hard to believe I'm walking through the ruins of the first ever city, because I'm not. That's in Iraq.
We're doing it, guys, finally, after weeks and weeks, crossing the Gulf, heading south to Florida, getting to the Bahamas. We finally made it to our one and only final destination, the thing that brought us here, the thing that makes us feel alive, the Mount Alveria hike. It is the highest point in all Bahamas. I'm not gonna tell you how high it is yet, because it's gonna blow your mind.
So this monk built this himself. He wanted to get away from society. And I was just saying, like, what do you think he ate? And I was like, he must have had goats. And little do you know, you can hear him right now.
Hey, mister. Billy. There's Billy. Here's Birdie. And I got babies over here as well. Me. Me. I remember being a kid and getting brown by a goat at a farm.
His long lost goats.
When was this? In what year?
This is almost 100 million years ago.
Home to the Hermitage, the small stone monastery, was hand-built by Father Jerome in 1939, serving as a place of solitude and reflection. We're gonna self-reflect, babe.
Yeah, you got a lot of reflection to do.
Yo, you have a lot of reflection to do.
Manny doesn't reflect
I
enough
reflect.
about her actions and how she makes people feel.
I'm all reflected up. I'm caught up on my daily reflection.
Yeah, sure.
But you, mister. In all Manu snacking style, I spotted a papaya tree with a ripe papaya. Of course, at this time, my snackishness overtook my reason, and I didn't stop to think, what if this was someone's private property?
You won't.
After attempting to climb the tree, Max realized that
Yeah, like, see, someone's property because of the wall.
there's a wall? I took my click and my clack, as we say in French, and got out of there. I don't want to steal someone's papaya. Did you ever study Latin?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Well, we studied it in French, and so I think it was Jacques Brel who had a song for it. Rosis, rosis, rosé, rosarum rosis, rosis. I don't remember it completely, but something like that.
Rosa, rosa, rosam.
You won't get any more of the music because then I get demonetized. Sorry. I think our friend Jerome here had something pretty interesting going on. Look at this place.
His secret.
Wow.
In Mass Sanctum Domine. And here's his bedroom. Small place, eh? Great views though. Wow, look at that view. Straight in the morning. My guy, he knew where he was doing up here. My guy, he knew where he was. Hey babe.
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm here. What are you doing?
I'm climbing the top.
We are here in very special, sacred, historical site, rich in energy, self-sacrifice, reflection. You can almost feel Father Jerome's presence. Yes, this was built by Father Jerome by himself in 1939. Now, what really is special about this place is, come on. This was self-constructed. Every single stone, everything holding this place intact was self-made. Now, isn't that a special one, huh? In all seriousness, this is pretty special. Look at this. All by himself.
Looks like a little
Self-done.
Star Wars Adobe thing, you know?
It looks like Santorini. Did you go check out his room?
Yeah, go look inside. You haven't seen.
I just don't want his energy to be in
Oh,
there.
there's no such thing.
Are you sure?
Manny's smoked too much crystal meth and now she sees aliens.
Wow.
He even had floorboards.
I'm sure there's something secret stored in
Yeah.
the floorboards.
His body.
Oh!
What?
Big wasp.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere.
Yeah, we're in the heavy metal. What boat do you
The
guys?
aluminum boat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
nice.
your boat
Yeah,
is so
thank you.
cool.
Where are you guys at? I haven't seen you guys came in.
We
Came in
guys,
last night.
This lovely couple told us about this cave, apparently, that we would have just never found if it wasn't for them. This trail was completely hidden in the bushes. We would have never known. So let's go check it out. Gosh.
In you go.
No, you go first.
Oh.
I'm always the one who does things first. How is it?
Dark.
Oh my gosh. Crazy.
He just lived in there.
He didn't live in there.
He did.
What do you mean?
That's where he lived. Before while he was building it.
No.
Yeah, the whole time he was building that house, he was living in this cave.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to see a picture of this Father Jerome.
Apparently he was really small.
And that was it, guys. A full 63-meter high hike.
It was big, right?
Booyaka!
Stop, babe. Look, he's gonna ram me. Hey.
We found a coconut that's somewhat arm's reach. Yeah, baby, let's go. Well done. Yay! So we just made a friend as we left the Hermitage hike, and we asked him where the nearest bar was. His name is Maurice. As we walked down the road just past him, there is a coconut tree, and we asked him if we could take a coconut, and he said yes! After completing the longest hike we've ever done in the Bahamas, we ended up at the local bar with the couple we met at the top of Mount Alveria. Until... oh my gosh, the no-see-ums are... they're everywhere! Now, to give you an idea of how it felt to be attacked by no-see-ums, I'll add the dramatic music.
There's so many.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Wow. Infested seas.
Yeah, well, we're gonna wake up. You're gonna itch so much.
I know. Right now we're laughing like, no-see-ums. Tonight we're not gonna be having a good
tomorrow
time.
and the day after is when it really hits.
Oh, babe, I want to run to the dinghy. Why did we park so far? That was a mistake. We have to walk all this in no-see-um land.
Okay, I'm see you later.
Really? Yeah. I have the backpack, Max. You left me with the backpack. I have the coconut in the bag. Don't leave me. Pause the drama because for some reason I really had to take a shot of this floating buoy. And back to the drama. Full panic. Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is hectic, guys.
Yeah, there's so many.
No, this is too much.
There's so many no-see-ums.
And mosquitoes.
Yeah, they're everywhere.
Oh my gosh, babe, quickly, quickly.
Get in, get in.
Okay.
Oh, they're in my ear, they're in my ear. They're everywhere.
Whoa, babe, there's a cloud around you.
I know, what the heck? It's because we haven't had a shot. Oh my god, no.
No.
What the heck? This is not happening.
Oh, they're still around us. Are they around us?
Thanks for watching. Here's what to expect for the next video. Stopped in the middle of nowhere so that Max could dive his coral heads. Look at that happy chap. And we spot this coral head. Oh no!
Don't film. This is so serious.
Kind of regretting our choice of doing a bonfire.
Look at those two fish. Enjoy my song. The song right now is the riff.
Who plays guitar like that? It's the mango patch, it's the mango patch.
Eat it slowly.
Mango patch. Everybody's watching.
Because the rules are the rules and the facts are the facts.